Welcome to Homestead Heart, and today I'm going to share with you how buying in bulk can save you some money. Come along. I'm going to share with you how I am now buying spices, okay? Because, I do a lot of cooking. And I love to experiment with different spices, and I really enjoy that. I'm a spice girl. Okay, but I really enjoy cooking with different spices, trying different spices from different parts of the world. I enjoy those different flavors. Okay, but I'm going to share with you how even some of the most basic spices that you get from your big box locations or regular supermarkets, how we really get robbed, and oh my goodness. And I know you may say, well, maybe the quality is better if you get it from Walmart. Not necessarily. That ain't necessarily so. So depending on where you get your spices from, I understand that you might be concerned about quality. However, the spices that I use, they are so delicious. I'm big on spice flavor, and I gotta tell you, I wouldn't waste my time if that were not true. So let's get right to it. So I'm gonna show you, these are just some of the bottles, empty ones at that. And I keep them too. I keep them because I use the bottles to refill. Hello. But they glass them nice bottles. All right, so look at this turmeric. This, I don't know if you could see that, but this is like 1.41 ounces for this little thingamajiggy of turmeric from Walmart. And y'all know that's $3.98 at Walmart, don't you? Okay. And this right here is 1.8 ounces for curry powder. Y'all know that's right at $4, don't you? Okay. Now this right here was the Grinders, the Italian herb seasoning blend. Okay, this right here was about $4 and something when I bought that. And then my cayenne pepper. I love cayenne. Everybody who know I cook know I love cayenne pepper. Okay, and I think I spent like $3 and something. I don't remember, something like that. That's how long it's been since I bought spices like this. But $3 and something for 3.75 ounces. So even if we just rounded all of this off, you know what I'm saying? That's like 16 bucks for a few ounces for just those 4 items right there. So I don't do that anymore. I appreciate all of the big box stores. Thank you for coming. You're no longer needed. So now I buy my spices in bulk, and I'm going to show you how I save so much money. I use a lot of bay leaves when I cook. And this bag of bay leaves right here, I've been using it. This was a big bag. This bag was filled all the way up to the top here. This was a really big bag. And you can see how I've used half the bag already. But look at how much I paid for this. $1.22. And I bought this back in September of last year. $1.22. Y'all know if you use bay leaves, a bottle of bay leaves costs you about $3 or $4, right? Okay. And that's for a little container that might be the size of this. But I got a whole bag for them. $1.22. Okay? Crushed red pepper. Hold on. Let me get y'all. I need y'all. Yeah, hopefully y'all can see. Crushed red pepper. 42 cents. This is 0.14 ounces. It's not even a pound. It's $2.99 a pound. But I mean, this is all the red pepper flakes I'll use in a very long time. But for 42 cents, come on, where are you going to go and get this much for 42 cents, right? Ground cumin. I love cumin. Look at that. $1.40. It's $3.79 a pound. I got 0.37 pounds, right? $1.40 for the cumin. Look at, I love basil. Oh, I forgot to get my Italian seasoning. Oh, my snaps. Oh, good gracious me. All right, now look at this. This is 0.150 pounds. Look at that. 99 cents. This is some good basil too, y'all. When I open this, you could smell the basil. You could smell it. It smells so good. Now look, garlic powder. I don't need to tell anybody, if you cook, you know how expensive garlic powder can be. This is $4.32 for just about a half a pound. 0.45 pounds. $4.32. Where in the world? Come on. This much garlic powder? Please. Alright, and look. I love the chili powder, the chipotle flavor. I paid $1.93 for that one. This is, let me show ya. Big difference. Big difference. Cayenne pepper. $1.10. Cayenne pepper. Half a pound. Half a pound, just about a half a pound for $1.10 versus this thing for $3 and something, right? I got a half a pound, just about. Okay? And I did that. Now, these are two of my favorite spices. This is curry powder. I use curry. I use a lot of curry. Remember, $4 curry right here. And look, I paid $11.90 for 2 pounds. For 2 pounds. Even if I would have got 1 pound of curry, I wouldn't have paid but roughly $6 for 1 pound versus almost $4 for 1.8 ounces. You do the math. You do the math. Isn't that awesome? I use a lot of turmeric. Y'all know turmeric is expensive. I got 5 pounds. Look at this bag. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all of that. I got 5 pounds. I got the Indian brand, the Indian turmeric, 5 pounds. $11.59. $11.59. I got 5 pounds versus. Hold up. Come on, where are you? There we go. Turmeric. You can't see that. You can't see it. But it's 1.41 ounces of turmeric for $4. And I got 5 pounds for $11.59. So I just wanted to share with you how buying in bulk with your spices, oh my goodness, what a bargain. Oh, thank you for coming. See y'all later. Y'all could slide out of the shot now. Thank you. Okay, so just to show y'all how buying in bulk over time, it saves you money. I will not have to buy turmeric and curry. I won't be running to the store for this anytime soon. You see how long the bay leaves lasted. So I won't be running back to the store anytime soon to pick up any spices. And I get this from our farmers market in Decatur. It's called Your DeKalb Farmers Market. Yeah, I think that's it. But anyway, they have so many different spices, and I'm telling you, I could just load up on. I have to be real careful because y'all, I go spice crazy. I'm a spice girl. Okay, so I just wanted to share this with you all about my spices and how buying in bulk really does save you lots and lots and lots of money. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Please share it with your friends and other people who might be interested in this type of content. So thank you again so much for watching Homestead Heart. May you all have a blessed, blessed, blessed rest of your week, month, and year. See you next time.